There are plenty of ways to succeed with AI, but most people think that if you don't invest money, you'll never be able to create anything profitable with free AI tools. On top of that, the best-known method until now was creating videos for YouTube. But that has been completely nerfed because people flooded the platform with content that offered no value, wasn't entertaining, and was nothing more than AI slop. Fortunately, there is still one method that, if you follow it step by step, will let you create long videos, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or as long as you want, using free AI tools. The key is that I built this method so every video gives viewers real value and is never generic, no matter what kind of video you want to make. At every step, I'll give you several options so you can choose what works best for you, including different tools for generating the videos and several more for creating the voices. Everything will be completely free, but I recommend watching all of them so you can learn which ones are best and combine them depending on what you want to create. Better tools could appear tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and leave a like. First, open any AI chatbot. Any free one will work. And here's the first bonus. Go to the Arena website. Open Direct, and you'll find a catalog of the best AI models available, all completely free to use. There are so many to choose from. For example, this model normally costs money, but it's free here. If you get an error, simply switch to the next one. Whether you do this here or in your usual AI chatbot, remember that any free version will work. Paste in this prompt I prepared. I'll leave all the prompts and links for the tools I'm using today on my website in the description, along with free text and image AI tools you can use. I'll show you exactly where to find everything at the end of the video. In this field, enter the type of channel you want to create. When you submit it, the AI will analyze which videos would be best for that channel and have the highest chance of succeeding, based on all the information I've added to the prompt. That includes not only in-depth AI research, but everything I've learned after several years of creating content. Once you have these blocks, choose the one that catches your attention most, then paste in this second prompt. Copy the block you chose from the previous result and paste it into this section here. In this field, enter how long you want the video to be. For this example, I'll use the duration shown here, but remember that you can choose any length you want. Submit it, and it will return the result in blocks divided into numbered sections. Each section contains a line of dialogue around 5 seconds long, an image prompt, and a prompt for turning that image into a video. It will keep creating 5-second segments until it reaches the total duration we entered. Later, we'll turn the dialogue lines into 5-second audio clips, use the matching prompts to turn each image into a video, and combine everything into one complete video. We'll do all of this with free, unlimited tools, so don't worry if you need to generate a lot of clips. There won't be any limit. Start by copying the image prompt and opening Vibes. Remember, all the links are on my website in the description. Click Create New. This is where we can turn every image we create into a video using the prompts the AI gave us earlier. But the image generator here only creates vertical images, and we want horizontal videos. So open Meta AI. Under New Chat, choose Create Images. Now add every image prompt from before, one at a time and in order to generate all the images. Make sure you download them in that same order, because later, each image needs the matching video prompt from its numbered section. Once all the images are ready, return to Vibes. Select Add Start Frame, click Upload, then upload the images. Choose them one by one, add the corresponding video prompt to each, and generate the videos. Repeat this with every image. After a while, all your clips will be ready. Depending on your region, you may see this error. To fix it, select the video without opening it. Right-click this option here, click this button, then click the button at the top. Choose the video you want to fix. When this part is selected, double-click it and copy it. Paste it into a new tab, and that will solve the problem. The video already looks pretty good, but we can make it much better. I found a tool that can give any AI-generated video a huge jump in quality and help it perform better. To show you how it works, I generated this clip. It doesn't look bad, but if we want people to keep watching, we need to take it one step further. So I'm adding it to Malva Video Editor. First, I'll use the basic tools to cut unwanted parts, crop the frame, and rotate clips when needed. But it still won't feel professional if we leave it there. So I recorded myself explaining certain parts and placed those clips throughout the video. The camera changes make the pacing more dynamic and keep the video from becoming boring. For those talking scenes, silence removal cuts pauses automatically, while noise removal cleans up the audio, making the video faster, clearer, and more engaging. Then auto subtitles adds text in just a few clicks, and we can customize the font, color, size, and style. Next, we can add transitions to make the camera changes feel smoother. Then we can choose from more than 40 adjustable effects, including newer categories like glow and film. We can also copy effects from one clip to another instead of rebuilding the same edit every time. Without advanced editing skills and using only the tools built into the app, I was able to edit a video from scratch and make it feel much more professional. Videos exported with the trial version include a small watermark and are limited to 60 seconds. This is your simple yet powerful editor for creating wow videos. Everyone is watching the biggest companies launch new AI video models, and assuming those are the only options for creating content. Meanwhile, one company has launched a platform that lets us create videos, images, and much more completely free and unlimited. Download Malva Video Editor using the link in the description. To enjoy all the benefits of the full version, use code Malva to get 25% off the 1-year subscription. And don't forget to add the free 7-day Effects Store trial to your shopping cart. Now, let's go back to the videos we generated earlier. As you can see, they don't have audio. One way to solve that is with Google Flow. Inside this tool, click New Project and you can follow the same process. Choose the image section and you'll see that it generates 4 images at a time. Keep adding the prompts. Once all the images are ready, drag them into the text area, choose to create a video with the model shown here, then add the video prompts again and generate the clips one by one. The result will be more complete and include audio. Flow also has a character option where you can describe what you want the main character of your video to be like. Go back to the same AI chatbot we used earlier, ask it to write a description, and paste it here. Once the character is ready, save it. When you create the images, click the plus button, open character, and add it. That way, every image you generate will have the same main character, and it will stay consistent when you turn the images into video. The only problem is that this tool is completely free, but it limits you to 5 videos per day. You're still paying nothing, which is the whole point of this video. So I recommend combining it with Vibes and saving those 5 videos for your most eye-catching clips or for the intro, where they'll do more to capture people's attention. Now that we have the videos, let's turn the dialogue lines into audio. I have 2 options. Both are completely free, but in my opinion, one is better than the other. The first is Pinocchio. Install the program by clicking Download and choosing your operating system. Once you're inside, it's very simple to use. Click Explore on the right, and it will take you to a section where you can download completely free AI models and use them without limits on your own computer. The one we need today is Qwen 3 TTS. Open it and click Install. The installation is simple. Just keep clicking Install and Continue, and Pinocchio will set everything up. When Qwen 3 TTS opens, you'll see 3 options. Before using them, go to Models, open each of these sections one by one, and click Download for each one. I always recommend choosing the most powerful version your computer can handle, although later I'll show you another option that requires no installation. Once everything is ready, you'll have 3 modes. The first is Custom Voice, which is simply a catalog of voices to choose from. Add each line of dialogue and click Generate.
Half the city fell toward darkness before warning alarms could even sound.
If you don't like the voice, switch to another one. For me, this is the least interesting option. Next is Voice Clone. This lets you upload a sample of your own voice, or of someone else's voice that you have permission to use. Then clone that voice and use it to narrate any text you enter here. But the one I recommend is Voice Design. Here, you can add the lines you want to turn into audio, and in Voice Description, you can explain exactly how you want the voice to sound. I planned ahead for this. In the guide from earlier, thanks to the prompt we used, you'll find a description above the numbered blocks explaining how the voice should sound for this type of video. Paste that description here, add the dialogue lines one at a time or all together, and generate the voice. You can adjust it however you want.
A single failing ring threatened every habitat, still carrying living descendants nearby. To survive,
when it sounds right, I recommend uploading that generated audio to Voice Clone because this mode has no maximum audio duration. Voice Design is also free, but it makes you generate the audio in smaller pieces. In Voice Clone, once the voice has been cloned, remember to click this button here to improve the result. Then you can generate the full 10 minutes of audio at once if you want. Download it. The second option is Google TTS. This is also free and requires no installation. Choose a voice, adjust the style, pace, and accent, then paste the voice description from earlier into Audio Profile. Add the dialogue lines one at a time or all together. Sometimes this tool gets overloaded when too many people are using it and won't let you generate anything. If that doesn't happen, you can use it. If it does, use the previous option. Now that all the videos and audio are ready, make sure you've downloaded everything in the correct order and numbered it clearly. To put everything together, we need a video editor. You can use whichever one you prefer, but I'm going to use the one we saw earlier because I think it's the best. Add every video in order and place the matching audio underneath each one. Because the prompt told the AI that every clip would be 5 seconds long, It didn't create 10-second sentences for each video, so everything should fit properly. Even so, you can adjust the speed of the videos with this option here until they line up perfectly. Then use the effects and transitions in the editor to make the final result even better. And with that, your long-form video is ready to upload.
Now its orbiting cities were tearing themselves into burning metal fragments below. A single failing ring threatened every habitat, still carrying living descendants nearby. To survive, they had to abandon time itself or abandon each other.
To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.